guys, hello. So this is the bathroom tour. I am actually putting my face in this tours because I don't always do it, but as for me personally, I do like looking at other YouTubers and I like looking at them as they're talking, so I figured maybe other people will feel the same instead of just looking at some items. I don't know. It's not much to look at, but there's something about human face that just, you know, like, I don't know, is interesting. I think someone said, I don't know where I read it, maybe I read it or someone said it, but I heard that like, you don't dream about any face that you actually haven't seen in your real life. So all the faces you see in your dream, it's someone's face that you have seen in your life. Isn't that crazy? Like, I think that's like pretty cool. But anyways, over here, just my toothbrush, my floss, and my toothpaste. I think I'm always gonna have flosses because I like flossing. I think like teeth hygiene is something that I'm probably not going to compromise on. So I'm always going to have to own an item like that. But anyway, there's a scrubber for the toilet. A little tip, it sounds kind of silly, but listen to your onni. Onni means like older sister, but when you have like a toilet scrubber like that, sometimes they can also function as like a declogging device. So if your toilet happens to be like filled up with, I don't know, gross stuff, sometimes if you just push the scrubber and keep pushing it into the little toilet hole, it will actually declog it eventually. Did you know that? I didn't know that, but life taught me. People get creative when they need to. So yeah, I only have to own one item, and that also works as like a declogging device, which is really cool. Look at my hair, oh, Jesus. I didn't do anything to it today, but anyway, whatever. And I have some toilet paper here. I've been buying toilet paper in less of a bulk. I already used up my old toilet papers, which were like brown, like the recycled ones, which was nice. But since I'm moving soon, I really don't want like, you know, 15 toilet papers at home. So I'm just buying them in smaller bulks, like 2 or 4s. So I bought like a 4-pack toilet paper. I'm still using up this foundation. I'm going to probably declutter it when I leave, because I don't like having this big foundation when I already have like my small portable concealer, which I talked about in my minimalist makeup tour. And there's this body lotion. It's pretty clunky, so I think I'm going to actually declutter it when I leave, but I use up a lot of lotion. And this one actually has a little bit more oil than I would like. Generally, I prefer the type of moisturizer that's kind of like in between watery and creamy types. So I like the ones that are like right in the nice middle, because then I feel like I am getting the moisture that I need into my skin and also getting the necessary protection from oil and things like that from external factors. So that's that. And over here, woohoo, gave the floor a clean. You can see the chip tiles. But here's my bathroom. There's my makeup remover, which is still going pretty strong, but I'm almost out. This shampoo that I'm almost out, and then this hair conditioner that I'm almost out with, and then there's this razor. It's about time that I exchange the razors as well. So all this I am not going to keep when I move. So, and that, my friends, including this towel, would be everything that's in my bathroom. That's my bathroom tour. Let me turn the light off, and let's go over here back to the window, because guys, view time. I heard it pour at some point yesterday. It was like raining a little bit. It's really nice. The sky was like really pretty pink color before it started pouring at night. But now I think it's like, it's calmed down a little bit. It's just this ominous, pretty day where it looks like it might rain or might not. What a tease. And over here, I think I might have talked about it, but some of the clothes that I actually do wear on regular basis. This shirt is like super light. I love it. Super easy to wear. It makes me look cute. Over here are my socks. I think I have another pair of socks in the washer or maybe in the cabinet. I forget. But I do rotate between, you know, mostly just 2 socks, and then I'll use them for working out, and then I'll just wash them on the day of. I don't mind doing a lot of washing. It's actually what I end up doing a lot, instead of owning a lot of items. So one of the things that I do have to be real with you guys about is that if you're a minimalist and you don't have a lot of clothes, I'm sure other minimalists talk about this too, but you do have to think about putting some time into washing your clothes. Usually I think like a safe place would be you have enough clothes so you can only do the wash like once a week, because all of us usually have like once or twice a day off per week, hopefully 2 days off per week. So there's that, and you don't have to worry about doing laundry like all the time or smelling bad. But for me, I have like maybe 3 pairs of socks, but since I do laundry like twice a week nowadays, and I don't really need to I'm not really like in the lack of time per se for that activity, so I have time to do it. So, and besides, I love going to the gym all the time, so I like to do a wash on the night before. And since all my workout clothes, pretty much like these shorts and this shirt and things like that, they're very easy to dry, they're very light. So if I wash them the night before real quick on like a speed setting, which takes like half an hour or something, then I would have some clothes to wear in the morning or in the afternoon when I go work out. So it's not an issue. Yeah, and then speaking of clothes, you guys might have seen, this is a fun little fashion show time before my outro.